Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing Dreamcatcher's special mini album rated Dream. I am so excited for this. I literally just opened this package. I am surrounded by bubble wrap and remnants of the haul video I just filmed, and I am so excited to open some of these albums. So I will start off with the normal version, which I'm not sure how to open this. I don't know that I want to use scissors, although I do have those scissors here. I think maybe that's enough to get this open. Also, if you hear any noises in the background, it's probably my cat. He's asleep on my bed right now, just living his best life, so I let him be since he's for once not causing trouble. Because it's less distracting for him to be asleep on the bed than for him to be knocking things off and causing loud crashes in the background. Alright, so you can kind of tell these are older albums because they still have the old Comcast sticker on it. I guess they changed this, so when I finally get some albums that have that new sticker on them, I'll point it out. But I saw some unboxers recently, they had it and it was a different sticker, so I really like this sticker though. So I'll be sad when the other ones don't have it. So this unfolds in a really weird way. I don't know that I necessarily, oh wait, this is one flap. Please don't break. Please don't break. Yes. Okay, got it. That way. Ooh, that's pretty. That way, that way, that way. And we're just gonna safely remove everything. Okay. I honestly don't remember what random things are in here. So this is the DVD and this is the photo book. Okay, so this doesn't have anything in it. Good. So I'll show this off. It has the track list over here and this CD. Now you're back in the little camera holder. It's one of the things I want to get soon, is like a proper camera stand so it's not constantly falling over. But it's so pretty. I love this. Is there anything under here? I don't remember. Nope, it's just white. And I can put that back in there. And this is just, it's so pretty. It's almost like a greeting card or like a holiday card because it's kind of like those colors, you know? So I'm gonna take my random things out. Okay. So here is the photo book. It's so freaking pretty, and I am gonna be the first to admit I haven't figured out who is who yet completely. Oh good, they have names, thank you. 'Cause I love them, and like most of what I've been looking at from them is from a different era. I think the last one they did where they all had like the crazy colored hair. And now they've got all neutral colored hair, and I'm like, I don't know you people anymore. But Dammy is my bias. The first thing that I actually heard of Dreamcatcher that made me fall in love with them was their cover of Big Bang's Bang Bang Bang, and just Dammy slayed it so much. And those lyric changes, I approve. So this is like such an elegant photo shoot. And I love how it like shows them as like they're all queens. It's not just like one member. I love it. Because they are all queens. And they are all absolutely gorgeous and amazing. feel like I'm going so slow right now through this, but I don't know. I like to take in photo books, but I also know when I'm unboxing them that people, like, they want to see the photo book, but at the same time they also, like, don't want to spend 10 minutes on it usually. But I don't know. I love photo books. They're just something that is so incredibly... It's an awesome little commemoration of the era, because you get the music, but then you also get to remember, like, oh, these are the outfits they wore. This was the concept they did. This is who they actually are. These are so pretty. And Dami is killing the short hair look. Like, when I first saw it, I wasn't 100% sure I would like it. All of my biases are chopping their hair. First Yeonwoo, now Dami. I mean, Jisoo, her hair, she cut it a little bit, but she didn't fully chop it all off. Her hair's just kind of always been mid-length. But I swear, every single one of my biases, or like a lot of them, are like getting short hair. It's kind of crazy. That sound in the background is my computer, which I'm gonna go shut off really quickly. I'm gonna use this as a little bookmark. There we go. So as we were, these black and white photos are so pretty. All of these members are honestly such visuals. Like, I am so shook by that. So I feel like pretty much everyone in the K-pop industry is good looking. That's just kind of how this industry is, where if, you know, usually they all have to look a certain way, but I don't know, Dreamcatcher especially, they just all have like this look about them. Or maybe it's just this concept suits them really well. Maybe it's both. I think it's both. And then here are the lyrics, which I know you probably can't read very well because it's white on black text. Maybe you can kinda, I don't know. And credit in the back. Then that is that, and now I have to get my stuff out from behind me. So this... Right, so I got this little code. It has, but it's for 1,000 rubies for the game, which they did a collaboration with. It's called King's Raid Pandemonium, so it comes with that. Then my first photo card that I grabbed is this one, and I got, I don't know how to say her name. Starts with a two. I thought it was, but I still don't know how to pronounce her name. Is it Julie? I don't know, but it's her. If you guys can tell me how to pronounce her name, please do, because I don't want to butcher it, but this is a gorgeous card. Okay. Ooh, this is the transparent one. Okay, let's see who I got. Who are you? Of course, I'm pulling all of the ones that I like. I don't know. I'm so annoyed with myself right now because I like cannot tell from that picture who that is. Like, I am so annoyed because I really wanted to, like, before I unbox this, like, look into this era more so I could tell them apart, because I love the music and I love them. Okay, I don't know how to say your name. Is it just the font? Is it like SU? Hold on, I might just not be able to read these fonts. I think that's the problem. Oh my gosh, Jiu and Sua. So I was looking in the book because I was like not sure, and I was like, oh, maybe I just didn't know their names, so I wanted to like stay quiet so I didn't look like a total clown. But it's like, no, just the font in this book makes it look like a bunch of like I's and H's, like that does not, I guess it's kind of an A. You can kind of tell it's an A, but that same thing, but okay. So I do know things. Okay, I feel a little bit better now. Okay. I want at least one card of Dammy between these. Let's see, who is this? Ask and you shall receive. Oh my gosh. Dammy. This is such a pretty card of her. That's amazing. And the last one, I don't remember, is it, what is this? Huh? Oh right, the selfie cards. That's what these are. Oh my gosh. These cards are so pretty. I love these. So they have like two kind of like pose ones and then one selfie one, the clear card. Okay. Now I remember. I thought they only did 3 of these for some reason. I thought they just did a selfie, one of these, and I didn't know they had 2 sets of these. Okay. So now that I'm done being a total clown and doubting everything I know about everything, so I'm gonna pick this stuff up. There it is. Here we go. These cards are so pretty. And also both of these I got with a poster, but it's literally the same exact poster. So I will probably, I don't know what I'm going to do with the other one. I might just keep it for right now. But yeah, so I have that as well. And I feel like this video is going to be so long because it's already like 15 minutes unedited. And I haven't even unboxed that. And I know there's not going to be too much stuff taken out in editing. Be a little bit. Okay. So this is the, what is it? It's the special limited. I don't know if this is like the limited or what this is. Wait, how does this open? I thought this is all connected. Oh, okay. I was gonna say because it's connected at the side, but that's because this comes out and it's like a little magnetic thing. Got it. Okay, so so here is everything. So there is this little CD here, just the gold. This is so pretty. This whole album concept. So I'm gonna go through this first. This is the collaboration with the game. So this is kind of like a visual novel of the game, which I'm pretty sure it's an app game. So I'm just gonna go through this kind of quick because it's really pretty, but it's also like not really a part of the album, kinda. It's just a part of the game, which, I mean, I'm gonna go check out the game after this just because I have all these extras for it. so I mean may as well. But so my recording just stopped and I'm not sure why, but you guys, I am such a freaking clown. My phone stopped because I was out of space. So I just went and made space, so I should be able to finish this unboxing now, but yeah. Also, I got, with the photo cards, I got all 4 different members. I got Jiu, Sua, Dami, and Sian? I don't know how to say any of their names. Oh my gosh. I will show you when we get to the photo book because I can like point and say this one, but I cannot say their names. I have not stand them long enough. That's like when I did my Itsy unboxing. I didn't know how to pronounce Rijin. I still don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just making less of a fool of myself now. But this game looks pretty cool. Like if these are kind of like what the graphics are like in that game, this is really cool. Okay. So that's that booklet. And then I'm gonna find my cards. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. I think there's more of you. And the other one, everything was just all in like one spot. There we go. 4, 5, 6. Why is there always so much? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because these are definitely photo cards. What are... Oh, okay, never mind. I know what I've got. Okay. So, open up this photo book. I think this is the picture that's on the poster. But there they all are. Are the photos different? Are they? These photos are the same so far. These photos are all the same. Where is it? Okay, there's Sua. You. See, yeah, I had it kind of right. You, this is who I got. So I got 4 of the members so far. So if in the other cards I get maybe some members I haven't pulled, that'd be cool. But so far the front of this photo book is the same as the other one. Is this different? Ooh, kind of. This is in black and white. There you go. Now we've got some different pictures. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is such a freaking good album. Like, all these songs, it's a little bit different from what I would usually go for. Because I listen to all different kinds of music. K-pop is just one of the genres, but it's the one that I'm like the most into at the moment. So this isn't what I would normally reach for, especially from like a K-pop group, but I absolutely love it, and I'm glad to have it because it's a little something different to my collection. And also, it's so epic. Like, it sounds like music that would be in the back of, like, a game like King's Raid. Deja Vu just hits so hard. I mean, all of them do. This whole album is just amazing. Oh my gosh, Demi. Oh, so this is where that photo card that I got, this is where that like set is from. That's kind of cool. Ooh, more group shots. I feel like they like to change up the order of like that they show the members. And I like that because I feel like with a lot of groups, it's always same order every time. Like sometimes they do age order, sometimes they do just Momoland, I think, does it in popularity order. I think that's the real way that they do it, because Nancy and Yeonwoo are always towards the front, and then Taeha and Naeun, they're always towards the back, and then everyone else, you just kind of usually find them towards the middle, like. I don't know. But I like how they, like, always switch it up. At least in this album, you kind of. It's different. This album has some amazing visuals, just like this whole like visual concept. It contrasts the songs so well and it just looks so beautiful. I love this. Okay. Credit. Okay. So let's see what I pulled. Actually, I'm going to open this first because this is something I wanted to save. Are these photo cards? Ooh. Okay, so what's this? Dreamcatcher. Is it like I don't know, but there's some really cool clear cards. So there's this one. This one. And this one. Is this maybe to like put them in? Like, oh, maybe like that. Maybe. That's cool though, some more little photo cards. Okay, so for the random cards, let's see. So this is another 1,000 rubies of that in-game currency. Then the extra card that I forgot about, it's a mirror card. So, ooh, you can see my closet. Okay, enough of that. So that's what that is. Let's do this one. I got, ooh, oh no. No. My first dupe. Honestly, I shouldn't be complaining because I've made it this far with all of the albums I bought without pulling a single dupe ever. So, I mean, that's including the, like, little cards in the Blackpink Kill This Love album. I mean, I guess having a dupe of my bias isn't too bad because I can always, like, trade it for maybe another one of her. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Alright, my clear card I got. Wait, is this you again? I think it's another Sion card. Maybe. It might be Kai. hold on. How do you... Gahyun, right? Yeah, Gahyun. Okay, I'm not losing it. I'm not losing it. I don't know if this is Gahyun or Seiyan. I'm not sure. I mean, I think... I don't know. I'll have to look it up later to figure out which one it is. I think Gahyun. Alright. Next one. You're kidding me. How? I literally got 2 dupes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out trades for these 2. So if you have any of the members that I don't have for those cards, let me know. Okay, please don't be the same card. I swear. Be something different. Yay! I think this is Hantu? Is that how you say your name? Why did I turn it over? I know it doesn't say. But... so pretty. Okay, so... I essentially got... these 2. And then 2 of these. So I'll work out trades for those. At some point, let me know in the comments if you guys have trades or something for those. But yeah, that was my unboxing of Dreamcatcher, Raid of Dream. I really like the album. I think it's really cute. Not cute. Cute isn't the right word for it. Elegant. I like the packaging. I like the concept. I love the music. Wish I didn't pull 2 duplicates, but that's fine. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Except for I think there might be one clip at the end for me to show you the posters. So, here are the posters, and bye! And there is the Dreamcatcher poster, which is really cool. Both posters for the album were the same, so I'm just going to show you the one, and there's nothing on the back, so there it is. See you in the next video. Bye!